Cup of Joe, cup of Joe, cup of Joe, 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 cup of Joe, cup of Joe, cup of Joe, Joe. Ah. What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Happy Sunday, fun day, man. Yes, sir, ski. It's your boy Cup of Joe back with another video. Yes, I do have something. Oh, excuse me. It's raw and uncut. So I'm gonna put that back. Let me scoot over. Excuse me. But yeah, man. This Big Joe's pasta right here. What I do got is a little bit of something. Ground meat, turkey sausage. You know what I'm saying? It got the bell peppers, the green. Let me fit my camera. The green, the yellow, the orange, and the red bell peppers in here. Even I got a real pepper. Let me pull that right here. Get out there. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yeah. But at the same time, this is how we looking. Got the cheese and 2 different types of noodles and 3 different types of cheese. So before I dig in, I want to say my grace. Scoot over one time. Why I like my videos? Because they raw and uncut. And let me keep on apologizing for not making videos because we all got a life. You understand? You understand? You feel me? Alright, let's move on. But other than that, I decided to make a video, not just for myself, for my own pleasure, for y'all. You know what I'm saying? To my subscribers. I owe y'all that, man. Hey, your boy. So I'm going to dig in to this. I let it marinate overnight also. You know I ate some. But other than that, time to grub. Happy Sunday fun day. How y'all been? Yeah. Me? I've been chilling, you know what I'm saying? With my cup of Joe. You feel me? This some juice right here. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta watch that die. But yeah, man. I really just been chilling. You know what I'm saying? Not like that. I've been taking care of business also. Like always. Man, to tell the truth, I'm enjoying every little bit of this apartment. Yeah, I've been living in. I've been enjoying it so much. I'm like, damn. I can't even really make a video. But get what? I'm back with another video. Let me get one of these peppers. I let my pepper marinate in some pickle juice. I had got some pepper. And I just let them soak in pepper juice for a whole week in the refrigerator, man. Oh, that motherfucker there is spicy. Man, if y'all, when you get my egg, I don't know. I watch the news. And on the news, you know, there been some things going on. So, rest in peace to those in Oak Cliff, Texas, apartments that burnt up, and in the Airbnb to the children that got killed over last weekend, man. I'm telling you, we need to check on our people here and there to and fro. Don't get caught up in yourself and be selfish towards your loved one. You know what I'm saying? Because there's a lot of people that's in this world that's all about themselves. Me, I try not to be one of them. I know y'all see this t-shirt right here. I am the original Godfather. I'm the Godfather of a lot of YNs out there, man. You know what I'm saying? And they don't even know it. But each one teach one. I found one that listen. I found a few of them that listen. And us OGs, you know what I'm saying? Gotta give them YNs a little game every now and then, you know what I mean? Not about toting pistols and fighting all the time. Why? Man, come on. We didn't do it that much when we were young. You know, you better find a job, man, and stay out of trouble. But that's the way to live a long, prosperous life. I got it wrapped around my neck. Positive, intelligent, motivated person. I don't know if y'all can see all that. But I'm tatted up all the way down. You know what I'm saying? I'm just a book with a lot of chapters, 47 chapters. But don't judge me by my cover. And I don't judge by theirs. That juice coming out because you've been marinating in that pickle juice. It's good. I seasoned it to perfection, y'all. Man, I didn't do much this weekend. I just was chilling at the crib, watching movies. Give me some rest, you understand me? Y'all like my hair good? Oh, your boy stayed fresh. Then, hey, yeah, I did that. Been cutting my hair since I was 13, man. Gotta keep it fresh, you understand me? Nothing against the barbers, but I ain't fit pay no $50 for no haircut. Something I can do myself. God bless these hands, you know what I'm saying? Nah, for real. I gotta stay fly. Man, hold up. Back to the script though. You know, I forgot to tell y'all. I put vegetables in here. Mixed vegetable. Cauliflower. Broccoli. Onions. Our 5 bell pepper. Man. It's hidden. It's a healthy pasta. You know what I'm saying? I got garlic bread. But I ain't been eating much bread. So starting tomorrow, which is Monday, I'll be pushing that iron. You know what I'm saying? Curl. You know what I'm saying? Dips. You know what I'm saying? I gotta get right. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not doing it for looks. It come natural, but excuse me. But I'm basically doing it for health reasons. And I also gonna be walking the treadmill. So y'all just stay patient, man, and watch me shine. And I'll watch y'all shine also. Keep on motivating each other, man. That's what's going on in the world. It's just gonna be a hot girl summer. Y'all ass gonna be burning up. I'm a big man, so I'm gonna be on the inside and getting some AC. You know what I'm saying? Drinking on something nice. Like a cup of Joe. You understand me? Yeah, sex gay. I ain't finna be out there sweating. Excuse me. Trying to show off and all that. Next holiday coming up is Juneteenth, man. I was asking the youngsters. Need a free YN, like, y'all never heard of Juneteenth? I was like, nah, what's that? And I gave them a little bit of history. You know what I'm saying? And they were like, wow. And I was like, man, that's why some of us is here today. Just because of our ancestors, you know what I'm saying? Even though they found out late that they were free. But if they would have never found out, ain't no telling where we'll be today. You know what I'm saying? So YNs, they go way back. And each one teach one. And somebody had to teach and tell the southern people like Mississippi, Texas, we want to say Louisiana. I mean, it goes on, the South Coast. You know what I'm saying? About Juneteenth that's coming up. Those are holidays that I really celebrate the most. Because it's part of our history. All this stuff. Around the whole calendar, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just kicking facts. A little knowledge, man. To those that really don't know what's going on in the world. I know I've been gone for a minute. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna hit y'all up with another video. Watch my shorts too. I went bowling, man. I post that. You know what I'm saying? I enjoyed myself with my little bro. He got me out the house. And now I'm enjoying myself making another video. So, like, you know how I do it. Share, comment, and subscribe to another cup of Joe.